Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to this week Tuesday market analysis. Okay, today is the Tuesday 19th of December 2017. Before we do get started, please understand any advice in today's session is a general nature only, and your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's get started. Let's bring up our trading charts. Okay, let's just bring up our trading chart and see what we can find today. Okay, let's go to the first is the Euro Aussie. Okay. All right, let's go to the monthly chart and see what we actually find. Okay, first of all, what we basically trying to see if we can find a horizontal line. We just put a horizontal line here, and then we put another horizontal line. See, this is the price at the moment is just kind of like a ranging. In the monthly, what we can see is a kind of ranging. But look, the price is getting to the top range. So the top range, or when the price hitting the fringes, what we're trying to do is basically trying to see if the price is moving up and down. All right. So at the moment, okay, its price, as I said, is just on top range, top fringe there. Okay, top horizontal line. It's a kind of like a strong horizontal line. So let's just move on to the weekly and see what we actually find. Okay, let's just put a horizontal line. Okay, so the horizontal line is here. Do we have another horizontal line there? Yes, we do have there. Okay, that's pretty much what we can find from the monthly chart, from the weekly chart. Okay, let's go to daily. All right, so as I said, what we found in monthly, the price was a kind of like ranging. All right, the price is in top range. Okay, that's what we are at the moment in here, kind of like price is gonna uptrend there. Okay, all right, so let's just put see if we can find a kind of like a horizontal a diagonal line. This is the diagonal line. All right, so let's just zoom out. All right, so the price is kind of retracing to where? Is it close to pretty much, let's just put a Fibonacci. Okay, it's a 61.8 point. All right, 61.8 point retracement. Right, look, if we just put the line chart, we are looking at what we have here. We have higher low, then we have high, and then we're coming down to the lower low, to a higher low. All right, so the price is kind of like in a kind of like a swing trend. See the let's just bring our, so see the price is going up, coming down, going up, and then coming down. Okay, so see the price is right in a strong position. It's a kind of like a interesting place. All right, so what we're trying to see, we're just waiting for a strong price action. The strong price action for me is a kind of like a bullish engulfing. So all I want is a strong price action. So at this stage, look, we can, if you're an aggressive trader, yeah, you can go long here, okay, on top of here. Okay, so if we can adjust our line a bit, yeah, see, it's a bit of short of the, but that's okay. As if you are aggressive trader, you can just go on top of that, you can go long. All right, but you just keep your stop very close. Okay, just watch at the stop. All right, so stop pretty much, I would say, I'll go there as the price going up. As the price going up and up and up, then my stop will change the place. Okay. All right, okay, all right, let's move on. Let's go to the pound US dollar. Okay, so let's go to the weekly, so see where we are at the moment. Okay, this is the quite a strong weekly level here. All right, the price is right on the kind of like the quite a strong level there. All right, so okay, let's just put in there exactly. See, two line is at the moment, two line is a strong horizontal line, all right, there is a strong horizontal line and also a strong diagonal line. So we are just on those two lines. So going long at this stage is quite kind of like a very it's kind of like a suicide, all right, I would say suicide it is. So best way to do is, let's just zoom out and see where we are. Just see the price is right there. See if we can, let's just put it, see if we can put yep, that's kind of like uptrend as well. Okay, so let's move on to the daily. See just the line, all right, that's there, the line here. So see the price at the moment, right, is, as I said, is a strong place. Look, we have two options. First of all, we can go short. Okay, we can go short to here, but look, you see the stop has to be really tight, all right, or the second option, we just wait for the price to break this line, coming back, retesting it, and then going long. Okay, that's the plan. That's the plan for the GBP USD. Okay, all right, good. Let's move on. Dollar Japanese yen. Okay, let's go to the weekly. So we are, look at the model. We have a line here. Look, if you remember last week, we were kind of like stuck in a range. Okay, we are stuck in the range. So we are kind of like we are doing a range trading. Look, remember the only thing is we just closing. We are closing to the Christmas holiday. Okay, so that period, the volume is not there. All right, so trading is kind of risky. All right, for me myself, what I'll do basically, I'll just looking for any strong, very strong price action to do the trade. Otherwise, I just stay to the side and doing nothing. All right, so let's just put it. See, the price at the moment is a kind of like under this two line. All right, and we have a kind of like we don't see any strong price action there. As I said, the only thing I'm watching it, if the price going up and then give me a strong bearish engulfing, then I will happy to trade it to down here to this line. Okay, otherwise at the moment we're just doing nothing. All right, stay side. All right, good. Let's just move on to the Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Let's move on to the weekly. Okay, let's see if we can find some horizontal support or resistance. There is one here. There is one there. That's a kind of like we have kind of like a strong support and resistance there. Then we have another line there, which is kind of like give us a good. So the price is a kind of like a breaking there. Okay, so let's what we can see. If you just put a line, see, as you can see, the diagonal downtrend line is broken. It's giving us a kind of like a strong bullish signal here. All right, so let's just move on to daily. So what we can see is pretty much we are in this range. It's a kind of like a middle range. All right, so it's breaking this line. It's coming down, breaking. So what we do, we just wait for the price to retrace here, then we can go short. Okay, that's what I'm looking at this stage. All right, so we just wait for the price to retrace here, retrace there, then I will be looking to go short. Okay, short this way. All right, otherwise just doing nothing at the moment. It's quite risky. All right, let's move on to Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Let's just move on to the. Let's put some line, see we can find here kind of like good strong there level, and we do a level here. Okay, all right, let's go to the let's just see if we can put a kind of like horizontal line. All right, yep, there you go. We have kind of like few touches there. All right, good. Yep, good. So let's see, we got one touch there, two touches there, touches here, and touches here. So our kind of downtrend channel is a kind of like confirmed. two touches each side or few touches each side, so it's kind of like a confirmation of the channel for us. So for the price, look at the moment, the price is in a no man land. Okay, so we just wait for the price to retrace here and then give us a kind of like a bearish signal, okay, to go short. All right, at this stage, just staying to the side. Okay, all right, good. New Zealand US dollar. New Zealand US dollar. All right, let's just move on again to the weekly, see what we can find, where we are seated. Okay, the New Zealand US dollar is kind of like seated here, it's sitting right there. Let's see if we can find some levels there. All right, that's the levels. Okay, so the price is kind of like in a, yeah, it's a kind of like strong levels there, stuck in there. Okay, so let's see what, just adjusting the line a bit. Okay, adjusting the line, that's the one. Okay, good. All right, okay, so adjusted the line. All right, see what we are, what about here? Okay, let's just put this one here, that's up top there, cool. All right, and what about there? Good. So see, the price was a kind of like in the kind of like triangle, all right, before it breaks up. Okay, the kind of a triangle, it's breaking up. So what we can here, we can just wait for the price to retrace to this line and then we go line, but where we can go otherwise for the price wait for to retrace the price to this kind of to this line, to this diagonal line, or the second thing is for the price to retrace to previous high. Okay, retracing then we can go line. All right, we're just waiting for this. Or the third option is for the price to break this line, retracing to it, and then coming up. So going line here. Okay. All right. Good. Next one, US Swiss franc. See, is a kind of like this market. I just don't like it, to be honest. It's a kind of, since that happened to the Swiss franc. It's a kind of like yeah, it's a kind of like you're stuck into the range, I would say. Let's see where we are at the moment. Let's just put some levels there. All right. Okay, we are right in this level here. All right. Okay, let's just move on to daily. Yeah, we are just stuck into this level. Okay, so what we're trying to see, let's, if we can put some, let's just put, yep, here, that can, here, that'll do. All right. Yeah, let's switch to the line chart, see if we can find some touches there. Yep, good. Yeah, pretty much. Look, the price is kind of like in this kind of channel, all right? Yeah, it's stuck in this kind of channel. So so what I'll do, I'll just wait for, if I want to go long, it's a good yeah, it's a kind of like a buy signal, all right? Right there. Is a kind of like right, it's a kind of like a long signal, okay, but let's just put a Fibonacci. It's the Fibonacci retrace is about 61.8. Okay, it's a good retracement. Just wait for the strong signal and then we can go long. Okay, all right, USD CAD. The CAD is stocking in a range again. Like I said, look, pretty much the market is kind of slow. It's very slow now, and that's because of like the holiday season. Okay, so yeah, there's not much volume there. Look, it's very dangerous trading this kind of the year. Okay, I wouldn't recommend it. But look, as I said, if there is something, just always go with very strong price action. Okay, see the price kind of like stuck in this range. All right, as I said, look, we've got a few options. Strong sell signal to go short, coming back, long signal here, or wait for the price breaking the congestion, coming back, give us a buy signal, then going long. Okay, that's all we do for the for USD CAD. Okay, all right, let's go to Euro Japanese. The Euro Japanese, pretty much same thing at the moment. Okay, is a kind of like, as I said, look, it has been, let's just see if we can put some levels there. Okay, there is one here. Yep, there is two there. Okay, it's a kind of like a, yeah, stuck in there, and then we just put it up there. Yep, no. So let's just see if we can put some lines, just breaking the, like at the moment the price is kind of like stuck into this range. Okay, I don't see any kind of like trend to any strong trend. I don't see that. The only thing is look, has been going down and then coming up is a kind of like, yeah, look, it just like, you know, so this kind of pattern, it just reminding me of the, it is a kind of continuation pattern, I would say. So for the price, what happened is going long, and then coming stuck into the range, and then going long. That's what happens. Okay, going up again. So, but look, we don't know what's happening here. Okay, what, as I said, we just wait for a signal. I guess look, what we can do is basically short here, a strong signal, line there, strong signal, all right, or we're just waiting, if we're waiting for the price to break this line, going short, or breaking up there and then going long. Okay, we just wait for that. Okay, good. Next one is uh, let's go to the gold. All right, let's see if we can put some line here and see where we are. Okay, good, we are there. We have horizontal line there, and we have a horizontal line here. Okay, good. Let's just adjusting it a bit. That's the line. Good. All right, let's just see if we can put some line up here. All right, yep, that's a, okay, good. So look, and then we can put a line here. All right, okay, good. So the price is a kind of like breaking the channel. Yes, in a weekly, it's breaking the channel, retracing back. Okay, so let's just adjusting it in daily. So we're just adjusting the chart. If we're just putting any kind of line in the weekly, then we have to adjusting it again in a kind of like daily. All right, so see, this is the price. Okay, so what is doing actually the price? It's breaking the channel, all right, and coming back to retesting it. Okay, let's see if we can put some kind of like channel here as well and see where we are. Okay, good. All right, so look, this is a kind of, see, it's a kind of like the price is breaking there. So what we can do is basically we can go short here, but let's just put a Fibonacci level. Look, it's kind of like 38, it's close to 50. Look, for me myself, okay, if you're an aggressive trader, you can go short. Confirmation of this candle, wait for the candle to form. If it's a strong signal, then you can go short by tomorrow. If it's not, what I recommend is for the what I prefer actually, for the price to retrace to this here, and then I can go short from there. And I mean, this spot, this is the spot for me. Okay, for the price to retrace to here, that's the spot. All right, good. Okay, all right. So yeah, pretty much we are done for today. All right. So as I said, look, remember it's very important to look. As I said, because of the season, it's a holiday. There's not much volume out there. Okay, so be careful with your trade. Look, you know, don't lose your money, obviously, or be very kind of like conservative, I would say. Okay, if you I would recommend you to just stay away from trading this period. I would do that. Okay, if you have any open trade, just let it go. Okay, just be careful with your stop loss. Okay, and watch it closely. And yeah, pretty much just I think that's my last video for this season. I will be away till 15th of January. Okay, and then we are going back to our regular weekly market analysis again from 15th of January. I wish you all a happy Christmas and a very good holiday. Okay, and all the best. Just remember, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and our video. All right, and give us any recommendation if you come across. Okay, and I would be really grateful if you can just, if you like the video, give me a thumb up. If you don't like it, just give me a thumb down. All right, do you have a recommendation? Just drop a line under the comments. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next year. Okay, bye.